Paano po pag may full-time job, files tax on my behalf, and part-time na freelance? Pag niregister mo po kay BIR yung freelance services mo, ang taxpayer type mo po ay mixed income earner. And then ikaw na rin po ang may responsibility na mag-file ng income tax return mo. Ang ifa-file mo po kay BIR from first quarter to third quarter ay freelancing income only, and then sa annual income tax return, doon mo na po pagsasamahin ang income mo from employment at income mo from freelancing. Every year may ibibigay po sa atin ang ating employer na BIR Form 2316, Certificate of Compensation Payment. Nandoon po ang information sa total income mo from employment. At para ma-file mo ang annual income tax return mo as a mixed income earner. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.